Hold on tight. Here we go. This is the video answer key for a test I'm giving tomorrow in one of my advanced Math 7 classes. But don't worry if you're not in that class or you're not even one of my students. This could still be useful for you. You're going to practice integer operations, basic integers, and also going to be doing some fraction multiplication. Okay? I'm going to go quickly because there are a lot of problems here, and you have a short attention span, probably, just like me. So here we go. We're going to use number lines or tile drawings to show work, and then rewrite them as equations. Okay? As we've been doing in class, we're going to use tile drawings. I have other videos on this channel, whitchermath, that show you how to use those tiles. But anyway, step one. There's 4 positives. I need to take away -2, which means I add zeros. I will not write this every time. I just want to remind you of that strategy. Add zeros so that I can take away -2. And then to change it to an equation, I do that. There we go. Next, I start with -4. Take away 2 negatives. What's left? 2 negatives. -4, take away 2 negatives, leaves 2 negatives. Okay? Next, -4. Take away 2 positives. That means I need to add 2 zeros. That way I can take away 2 positives. Use a little arrow to show that. And then when I rewrite this, I see that the answer is 6 negatives. There we go. Next, start with 4 positives. Add 2 negatives. What happens there? I created a couple of zeros by doing that, which leaves me with my final answer of +2. Now we have 5 positives, and I have 2 more positives. I'm supposed to take away 3 negatives. That means I need to add 3 zeros, take those away, and the result is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 positives. -4. Take away +7. +7. So if I add 7 zeros, 5, 6, 7, and then I grab those 7 positives, I have nothing but negatives left, 11 of them. There we go. One more. -3 +4. Wait for the bell. -3, and I added 4, and I want to take away -2. Here's a 0. What's left here? 3. Dun, 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 3 positives. Okay, next, 2. Take away -2 means I need to add a couple of zeros. There's my -2. There's the answer. Find 2 more ways to show the same value as these expressions. Well, if I have 6, and I add -3 to it, that makes a big neutral field, and the answer is +3. So I need to find 2 more ways to show +3 here. Okay? Well, that's easy. I could do 2 + 1, which would look like this. I could also show, let's get tricky here. If I start with 2, and I want to end up with, let's see. Let's start with 1. Take away -2. Let's do that. All your answers could be different on this, so I'm just kind of messing around here. Here's 1. And if I want to take away -2, I need to add zeros, and there's that answer. So anyway, you need to be able to find multiple ways to show the same thing. -3, take away +7, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take those away. What do I get? -10. I need to find more ways to find -10. We'll do one easy one and one kind of tricky one. How about -4 plus -6? Right? There's 4. There's 6 more. Done. Another way to find -10 is I could do -12, and then I could take away -2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Take away -2 equals -10. Good? All right, 6 minutes in. That's not bad. We did 10 problems in 6 minutes. Let's go to the bottom part. Okay. Multiplication. 2/3 times 21/5, right? Because this is 5 times 4 plus 1. 21/3 is 7 over 1. That gives us 14/5, or 2 4/5. Ta-da! 6/12 is the same as 1/2. So there's our answer, 5/2, or 2 1/2 if you prefer mixed numbers. 2/7. 5 times 5 plus 3 makes 28. Keep the 5. Observe this. 28/7. This is due to the commutativity of multiplication, right? 4/1. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 5 is 5. That's the answer. Or, Maya, I know you love mixed numbers. I'm filming right now, Lily, and I just mentioned your voice on camera. But I'm going to finish up this video answer key, and then I'll help you out. Okay, I've got 8 times 3 plus 1 all over 8 times 24/5. This makes 25/8 times 24/5. 25/5 is the same as 5/1. 24/8 is the same as 3. So the answer here is 15. I've got 4 left. I'm going fast. 5/7 times 5 times 2 plus 2 makes 12/5. Check that out. We've got a 5/5, which makes, holla, 1. So the answer is 12/7. You guys know what 5 divided by 5 is, right? Shout it out.
Why?
Thank you. It's not 0. It's 1.
I thought it was 0. I can't
Okay.
I was never good at division.
Look, there's real students in the classroom. This is crazy. I'm still filming though. Here we go.
I was better at multiplication.
8 times 6 plus 2 is 50/8. And 11 times 5 plus 1 is 56/5. Look at this. 50 divided by 5 is 10, right? And 56/8 is 7. So 10 times 7 is 70, and that's that answer. I'm trying to emphasize to you guys that just because they're ugly, weird-looking mixed numbers doesn't mean the answer has to be crazy.
Is that a test?
I'm filming a video right now. Hang tough. Hang tough. Your voice, you're famous, though. You're going to go viral now. This one will have my highest views ever. Okay, this time, we've got 2/5 and 22/1. If we multiply those, we get 44/5. But notice the little sign there. That makes the answer negative. And this also means it's going to be -8 and 4/5 if you want a mixed number. And finally, our last problem. Since both of these have the same sign, we ignore the sign. It doesn't matter. We might as well change them to positives, right? Same sign equals positive answer. I'm just going to multiply these. 11 times 3 plus 3 makes 36/11. 11/11 is 1. 36 over 3 is 12. That's the answer. 12. Positive 12. Remember, same sign, comma, positive. Answer. This video answer key is done in 10 minutes and 20 seconds.
Woo!
We did a ton of problems. Yay!
Yay! Yay!
All right. Those are real students and they love math, right?
I'm down here 3 times a day. So
Sweet.
I have to hear.
So that's it for now. Please subscribe to the Whitcher Math channel to receive exciting videos like this every time I make them. See you next time.